This is lesson 4.3, example 2 of 2. We're talking about our friend Seth here. Hi, Seth. He ran a mile around the track. It took him 6 and 5/6 minutes, which is the same as 6 minutes 50 seconds, I believe. His friend Tremaine ran a mile in 7 minutes and 7 1/3 minutes, would be 7 minutes and 20 seconds. How much faster is Seth than Tremaine? The question is, so how much faster? We know that this is a subtraction problem because how much faster is subtraction keywords. And of course, faster means smaller number, which means we need to put the smaller number second because we are subtracting. So our subtraction problem is going to be 7 and 1/3 minus 6 and 5/6. Now, according to our blue box, the first step in subtracting and adding mixed numbers is to change these numbers into improper fractions. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember that to turn an improper fraction, a mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 equals 22 over 3. Denominator stays the same. Minus, again, times the denominator by the whole number plus add the numerator. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 5 is 41 over 3. Sorry, not over 3, over 6. My mistake. Because the denominators don't change. Now we get the denominator issue. Because the second step is, if our denominators are not the same, we need to change them. We have 3 and 6, so our common denominator is going to be 6, which is, lucky me, I only have to change one fraction, though I might rewrite them because that looks like a mess. So, but I'll change this one first. How do I go from 22 over 3 to something over 6? Well, to go from 3 to 6, I multiply by 2. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 22 times 2 is 44. So 44 over 6 minus 41 over 6. 44 over 6 minus 41 over 6. 44 minus 41 is, of course, 3. And 3 over 6. Denominator does not change. I can simplify that down. To simplify that fraction, I will divide by 3, since that goes into both top and bottom. And I will get 1 over 2, or 1/2. So how much faster is Seth than Tremaine? Seth ran the mile 1/2 minute, or 30 seconds, faster than Tremaine. Oops, capitalize the T there. We can also find that, as I said earlier, 6 and 5/6 equals 6 minutes 50 seconds. And 7 and 1/3 minutes equals 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And from 50 seconds to 20 seconds is 30 seconds, which is half a minute. Again, I can also do this using the butterfly method. If I was to take my improper fractions here, my 44 over 6 minus 41, sorry, that was my mistake again. My goodness, I'm messing up today. That's all right. I'm catching them. 22 over 3 minus 41 over 6. I could butterfly this out. I would get a completely different set of fractions, though. I would have denominators of 18. And I'd have to do 6 times 22 and 3 times 41. This is one of those things that where doing the butterfly method is not the best method because you're getting some big numbers. It still works perfectly validly. If you like to do the butterfly method, then by all means keep doing the butterfly method. But on the bigger numbers, it is a little bit more tricky as you are getting into bigger and bigger numbers. But if it works for you, then by all means, do it that way.